We are right now at Weedon Island. It is such a cool place. Look behind me. Look at that island there. It is so beautiful out here. The boys are having fun looking at the crabs crawling on the tree, guys. They're so cute. It's so peaceful. Look at the water is behind me.
Doesn't matter how far you go out, it's like
It's shallow. There, you can clean your fish here. That's beautiful. Look at that. Oh, it's still very shallow. There's so many tiny fishes. Oh yeah, look at that. You see the needlefish baby eating?
Oh, I see 'em.
Oh, look at that thing that we're going over there. Behind me right there is a lookout tower. That's what we're trying to go. We are here at Weedon Park. I really want to see a firefly. So it says here that they have fireflies, so I really want to see one even though it's not dark yet. Hey, we have a lot of this in Philippines. You touch it and it closes. No? It's supposed to. Ah!
Oh, this is a beautiful shot.
Look at the beautiful plants and flowers and bees. There's a lot of bees. Go get 'em. Need a snack? Here you go. Need a lift? Canoes? Need a seat? There you go. When you come to this place, you have to have a bug spray. I'm always behind and they're always looking for me. When you come to this place, you have to have a bug spray or else you'll be eaten up with bugs. And it's only 1:57 p.m. and we're eaten up with mosquitoes. Foot traffic only, no fishing.
I see an owl.
There's water coming up out there. There's my son. So which way is he going?
There you go.
What is it?
I got one right here.
Oh, look at this one. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this. Wow. Whee! So cool. You can sit there. Airplanes are. Oh, look at what's underneath there.
A little salty? I don't know, it's weird.
Dirty water. You can't even see in the camera. No.
Those are some hairy.
There's crabs all over the tree. There's a crab on that tree. Everywhere. The crabs on that tree are so cute. All over. They're like lined up climbing on the tree or resting. It is a long walk.